Hello and welcome to another mailbag. So let's see what China Express has brought in today. First, let's see what is inside these packages. I already opened those, so let's see what is inside. Look here. I can never have enough LCD displays. This is 1604 module, parallel 16-pin LCD, so it is 16 columns and 4 rows. I got this on an auction for about $6.50 both, which is a good, very good price. There are this green backlight black letter display, which is basically the visibility is best on these. Those are the best displays. Maybe not the greatest looking, it is just standard looking, nothing too exciting, but the visibility, the contrast, the viewing angle is really the best. So, and the green backlight is very pleasing to the eye. It's not something that pokes you in the eye. I'm planning to use this for my Arduino project. I presume I can use it as 1602 in the software, and Arduino will just use the first 2 rows like on 1602 display. Then I will have another 2 rows to put some extra information. So I didn't hook it up, we'll see. So you see the marking 1604A. Now this one is from the same shop. Okay, I didn't open it up. Okay, I had to fetch my trusty scissors. Okay, now this is from the same shop as my LCD modules, and this is also I got it on auction. It's a step-up converter, so a switching step-up converter. What it does, steps up the voltage, and it can be programmed. The output voltage can be programmed. And as far as I see from these capacitors, the max, they are 35 volt rated caps, and so the voltage should be up to 30 volts, and it is it is reasonably high efficiency, up to 90% efficiency. The higher the input voltage is, the higher the efficiency is, and it is I cannot make out the okay, here it is. It is some linear technology chip. I'll check out which one it is exactly, and it has voltmeter, some trimmer pot, some inductor caps, and these 2, is it some diode, is it a transistor or some diode packages, I don't know. I'll check the specifications of these things. And I didn't even notice, you saw it probably, the heatsink fell off, but it's not, it was not taped. They didn't stick it. I have to peel this protective sheet and tape this thing like this, and some screws and spacers, whatever. I bought this. Okay, I'm just looking at it. Has the design looks reasonable. It looks very nice actually. The big ground plane. I'm not exactly sure why these cutouts are here and the small ones here. They are not here to increase insulation, clearance distance or something like this, because there are no such components here, and basically there is no high voltage stuff here anyway. So I don't know, but yeah, I wanted to use this to step up voltage for my Dremel tool when I use it in my car, so I don't feed it off 12 volts. I can use this thing to step it up to 18 volts, which is nominal voltage for my Dremel. And also I wanted to build ATX power supply with 5 and 12 volts outputs, of course, and I wanted to step up voltage to between 5 and 30, depending on my needs. And these things, I think it goes to 60 or 90 watts, more than enough for me. And it was around $4 or $4.20, something like this. Okay, let's see next one. As usual, I'm not sure what it is. It's very light, flat, and full of this bubble wrap or similar protection. It was sent. Okay, it was. Okay, what do you know? It's another LCD. 1602 type LCD, and obviously this one is like the one like I don't actually remember ordering this. I probably got it very cheap on auction, and it took 15 days to arrive, so pretty good. Let's see next one. Another small flat bubble wrap thing, so I don't remember what I ordered as usual. What is this? Okay, what do you know? It is another Arduino Mini or Arduino Pro Mini. So let's whack it open. So as far as I can see, this one is Chinese modified version. It was ultra cheap, of course, and it has pins all around. So it doesn't have pin 13 and 14 somewhere in the middle like original Arduino Mini design, but let's see, does it have those pins at all? Well, it seems so. I have to compare it to my other Arduino. Okay, this one is a copy of original Arduino Mini Pro, and it has pins A4, A5, A6 and A7 in this second row like this. So let's see this one. Okay, you see the difference. This one has pins all around, and those are here. A4, A5, A6, A7 are here, and dimension is more or less the same. This one is maybe millimeter longer, and let's see the other differences. Some smaller capacitors. This one has the quartz oscillator, the real quartz oscillator, which is good. 16 megahertz, and yeah, it's not obviously the remaining pins are the same as far as I can see. The one on the side, yes, they are the same as the original Pro Mini design. They just have additional pins here, so this is good. It will be pin compatible with your other designs. So yeah, I like this one. It looks maybe even better than the original copies of Pro Mini. I like this, and I got these headers. Yeah, I really lately I have a shortage of those header types because those LCDs don't come with those, so this is welcome addition as well. Very nice. Next one, small light flat bubble wrap, no surprise. And all right, I'm happy about these ones. Those are Dallas temperature sensors. So I will get the exact model number, I don't remember, but those are nice calibrated temperature sensors that use digital signals to connect to a microcontroller, Arduino or whatever. So these ones will be nice. I like these ones. I will probably build something with them right away. Nice. And next one, something wrapped in styrofoam sheet, I presume. Yep. Okay. yeah. Okay, this one is from Banggood, and this is Banggood, typical Banggood bag, so no surprise here. And this is a Xiaomi light, USB light that connects to, well, anything USB, but it's meant to connect to the this power bank, like Xiaomi power bank, and it was $1 delivered. It is obviously not original Xiaomi, but some knockoff. My God, Chinese, copy Chinese these days, it's a bit ridiculous, but yeah, I'm happy about this one because tomorrow or after tomorrow maybe I'll go camping, so it will come in handy. Nice. You cannot turn it off though. No, it doesn't. Some of those things have capacitive sensor switch there, but not this one. Nice. Next. I will not even try to guess what's inside. Let's just let it open. Okay, those are little 0.8 millimeter drills for my Dremel. I wanted to build some custom PCBs for my Arduino and some other things. Maybe I wanted to make thermometer with Arduino and these Dallas temperature sensors. So I just wanted to print the layout on laser printer and use iron to heat transfer it to PCB, and this is why I ordered these drills to make these holes for through hole components. I hope 0.8 millimeter is good. I don't know if. Okay, let's open it up, see how it looks. Yeah, well, a drill is a drill is a drill. It's just a steel drill without anything fancy, titanium nitride or something like this. So I hope it will work good. I don't know without trying. And the last package is something round. Okay, I know. I think I know what this is. Yeah. And I'm happy about this. I don't have time, unfortunately. But yeah, this is, or those are 10, I just mentioned it before, heat transfer sheets for making PCBs. Yeah, it's yeah, I'm not sure my laser printer if it will like it or not, because it's wrinkled. Yeah, I think I'll have to feed it maybe through the straight through feeder, not the one that rolls inside back and forth. They put, of course, sellotape here. Not very nice. Yeah, pretty shitty stuff. They basically spoiled it. It's wrinkled here and sellotape and everything. It's shitty stuff, but yeah, whatever. Anyway, I wanted to use software like Altium Designer or something similar to design my prototype PCBs, print it on this paper and transfer it to PCB and etch it and see how it works. If it works well, I will send it to, I'll just order a few pieces from a PCB manufacturer. If it's not working well, I will fix it, do it again, and see if it works then. I admit I never used those things. Probably it prints on this side, on the glossy side I have to examine it. So this thing is on the other side, but so it probably will be okay, but I don't know this. How will I feed it to my laser printer? I'm not happy about this. Wrinkled, this one I don't know, it was dirt cheap, but I'm not happy about this. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you next time, bye. And I think I finally found some good use for my 20-inch IBM CRT.